According to the periodic table, water shouldn't be liquid here. Look at its neighbors. Hydrogen sulfide is a gas, ammonia is a gas, methane is a gas. Physics says lighter molecules fly apart. Water is the family lightweight, a feather compared to hydrogen sulfide. But while the heavy cousin floats away as gas, the feather turns to stone. Let's audit group 16. As molecules get lighter, boiling points drop. Tellurium, -2. Selenium, -41. Sulfur, -60. By this trend, water should boil at -90 degrees, but it refuses. It stays liquid all the way to +100. That is a 190-degree difference. This glitch is the only reason you exist. If water followed the rules, Earth's oceans would vaporize instantly. We would be a dead, steam-choked planet like Venus. How does it cheat? Geometry. The standard blueprint is 109.5 degrees, but water breaks the pattern, squeezing down to exactly 104.5. This squeeze is key. It forces positive and negative sides apart, creating a powerful charge. It stops being dust and becomes a magnet. Normal liquids like oil exist simply because they are heavy. They are massive, sluggish chains. If they were as tiny as water, they would vanish instantly. Water is light. To stay liquid, it locks into a massive hydrogen bond network. This magnetic anchor is the only reason oceans don't boil into space. This creates a second glitch. Usually, the solid is heavier than the liquid. Atoms cool down and pack tight. Drop solid iron into molten iron and it sinks like a stone. Water is the only liquid with this magnetic web. As it freezes, the web locks in and forces molecules to push apart. This makes ice lighter than the liquid, so it floats. If ice sank, oceans would freeze from the bottom up. Instead, floating ice creates a shield, locking in heat so life survives below. This web creates a third superpower, a massive heat sponge. Normal rock heats instantly, but the web absorbs that energy so the temperature is regulated. This makes water the planet's liquid cooling system. It ferries massive heat from the equator to the poles. Without this flow, Earth becomes burning deserts and frozen wastelands. Finally, water is a master thief. While oil is too weak, water uses its charge to rip crystals apart. This power makes it the universal solvent. This destruction makes life possible. Water turns nutrients into liquid fuel, delivering food to cells and flushing waste. Without it, every cell would starve instantly. We think water is special because we're made of it, but that's backwards. We aren't just made of water. We are allowed to exist by it. It is the architect of our world. It bends the rules to secure three impossibilities. Floating saves the oceans. Absorbing heat stabilizes the climate. Dissolving fuel powers life. Materialism's answer for this serial jackpot? The multiverse. Infinite universes create magic by accident. But that isn't science. It's an excuse to ignore the evidence. They claim luck for the cosmos, the galaxy, and now this. The anthropic principle has become scientism of the gaps for anything they can't explain. If you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe to help us explore further. This is Counteractual. Until we meet again.